Little dear Fawn wandered through the forest, wanting to make something beautiful for Fawn's friend, little bluebird Melody. Melody had a sweet song and a kind heart. Fawn wished Fawn could give Melody a gift as lovely as Melody's song. Creative butterfly Flutter landed gently on a nearby flower. Flutter saw Fawn looking thoughtful. Flutter asked Fawn what Fawn was wishing for. Fawn told Flutter about wanting to make a special gift. Flutter twirled in the air. Flutter said Flutter knew a craft that made something truly beautiful. Flutter had a soft, pink piece of paper. Flutter said they could make a paper rose. A paper rose was a flower that never wilted, Flutter explained with a gentle flutter of Flutter's wings. Fawn felt a warm feeling in Fawn's chest. How could paper become a flower? Flutter showed Fawn the square paper. First, fold the paper diagonally in half, then unfold, then fold diagonally the other way, then unfold again, Flutter instructed softly. This made creases crossing in the center. Now, fold the paper in half, then unfold, then fold in half the other way, then unfold, Flutter continued. The paper was now divided into a grid with diagonal lines forming an X in the center square. Gently push the sides inwards while folding the top and bottom outwards, collapsing the paper into a square shape, Flutter demonstrated. It was a bit tricky, but Fawn tried carefully. It looked like a smaller square with flaps. This is called a water bomb base, Flutter said. Now, fold the two front flaps up to meet the top point, Flutter guided. Do this on both the front and the back. It looked like a little diamond or kite shape. Now, fold the side corners of the front flaps inwards to meet the center line, Flutter showed. Repeat on the back. It was becoming more pointed. Next, fold the top point down on the front and the back, Flutter whispered. This made flat tops on the points. Now, unfold the sides you just folded in, Flutter instructed. Lift up the top layer of the flap you just unfolded. Carefully tuck the side edge inside the flap, creating a clean edge. This was a bit fiddly, but Fawn watched Flutter closely. Do this on all 4 points. This is called the petal fold, Flutter explained. It made the points wider and softer. Now, turn the paper over. Fold the bottom point up to meet the top edge, Flutter guided. Do this on both the front and back. The shape was almost a square again. Gently open the model and press it flat, Flutter said. Now, we need to shape the petals. Gently curl each of the 4 points outwards around a thin twig, Flutter showed. Fawn carefully curled the points. They started to look like flower petals. Almost done. We need the base and to twist the center, Flutter chirped. Gently twist the bottom square part. Hold the petals steady and twist the base around and around. As you twist, the center of the rose will form. And there it was. A beautiful, blooming paper rose. It had delicate petals and a perfect shape. It was soft pink and looked just like a real rose, but made of paper. Fawn gasped softly. It was more beautiful than Fawn had imagined. Fawn carefully held the paper rose. Fawn found little bluebird Melody singing on a sunny branch. Fawn held out the paper rose. "For you, Melody," Fawn whispered gently. Melody's eyes widened. Melody said it was the most beautiful gift Melody had ever received. Melody gently tucked the paper rose into a safe spot on the branch. Making the paper rose had taken patience and care. Learning a new craft with Flutter felt wonderful. And giving a handmade gift filled Fawn's heart with warmth. The paper rose sat, a symbol of friendship and gentle beauty. Maybe you can try folding a paper rose too. Imagine the kindness blooming with each fold. Close your eyes now, and perhaps you can dream of beautiful flowers and gentle friendships. Sweet dreams, little one, and remember that making something lovely with care is a wonderful way to show someone you care. If you liked this story, please give us a like and subscribe for more gentle adventures. Tell us in the comments who you would give a paper rose to.